Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Exceptional Scrabble players often share a mix of unique skills and practices. They have an extensive vocabulary and are skilled at anagramming, allowing them to rearrange letters to find the highest-scoring words quickly. They also strategically manage their tile rack for balance between consonants and vowels, and memorize word lists, including two-letter words, cue words without a U, and high-scoring possibilities. Practice, strategy, and memory play crucial roles in their success. Engaging in regular practice sessions and studying the game's strategy can significantly improve one's performance.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.